Yes, this is the planet Earth. The world keeps turning. You will be disappointed, deluded, hurt and sink. No matter how hard you fight, it will consume 90% of your strength, and what is left over, you spend crying, for being consumed. There is no such thing as many friends. You either have a few good ones, or a lot of fake ones. In fact, anyone who wants a lot, everything loses. Today, I count on 5 fingers, how many people I still risk to trust. It's not about pop culture, it's not about deceiving people or convincing them that they want something they don't need. We find out what we want. I believe that we are very good at thinking about what people will want as well. That's what they pay us for. We just want to make great products. Steve Jobs. That's the champion mentality. Trust yourself. Builderall. Builderall. Builderall.